Fly, flock, fly. A group of birds is called a flock. Some flocks of birds fly. They flap their wings. Some flocks float. They swim together. Some birds form flocks to find food. They look for flowers, seeds, and bugs. Some birds form flocks to keep safe. These flamingos fly away from danger. Some flocks of birds fly in a V shape. Some flocks of birds look like clouds in the air. Some flocks of birds have flashy colors. This flock has flown far. It is time to rest.